Hello everyone, molweni sanibonani dumelang Apshen. My name is Nezisa Mncance and welcome to our channel. Before I started, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to our channel. I know it's been a long time, right? Abanye benu bezibuza ba wanyamalala phi la sisi wayemanestela qaba ngomgosi we-Tutorials Production. But here I am. Siyayibona i-Tutorials Production inama stories amaninzi are different. O double life, o mathanda lonele, wena inhliziyo yayiphakela, wena imfihlo. I mean, bathula bas update about anything. Kodwa bathi this time no. Abantu abakwazi ukuyiphutha le. Basiphathele a brand new story called The Inheritance of Betrayal. Guys, this story is on fire. Tell me. Don't tell me about it. You don't want to miss it. Anyway, guys, bathi ndinithele qaba nje ngokuzokwenzeka so that nisithe back and relax nibukele. Mamelani apha. The Inheritance of Betrayal. There is a couple. Guys, I don't know bandiqalephi, but this guy called Mzukisi. But I must say first, guys, uthando into enhle. And abantu ababini xa bebambene bethandana babuilda into enhle. So sinale couple ibizwa ngomzukisi noSomikazi. Umzukisi is a twin, une-twin yakhe enguzukiswa. Basoko bexabana beqwempana. Ukuyiva into kuthiwa ityala lamawele.
Sisiyini lezinto zenzayo? Yini lezinto zenzayo?
Phaphama wena, vuka, wake up. Zizinto nje ezake ziqwempana ezingena peace ezisila, especially usisi wakhe uzukiswa unenyongo, intombazana nje nenyongo apha esoko ithanda ukuprovoke ubhuti wakhe umzukisi. Bayaqwempana ke isaram esengumzukisi because uyamazi umuntu oyindoda wasoloko izinto engazithathi, you know, but umfazi usoloko izinto zonke ezithatha ngamawala. Akakhi man, what do you call this name? Uzukiswa uhlala nje enenyongo ethanda ukulwa yonke yakhe hyper. It's intombazana apha ehyper engenancedo ngeloncedo kubhuti wakhe osoko o destroyer. Anyway, umzukisi unalomfazi wakhe called uSomikazi. uSomikazi, guys, it's a beautiful lady. Problem yakhe one, batshade for 6 years, but for 5 years, I mean to say, akakwazi ukuthwala ingane. Yes, uba pregnant, but then izisu ziyaphuma each and every time. And uzukiswa on the other side uthatha izinto ngenye indlela. I mean, the way she speak to uSomikazi umfazi kwabhuti wakhe about yonke lento yakuphuma kezisu, it's very hard, it's very painful, guys. Into ozoyenza because kaloku inyanda endithethayo lo mfazi wakho unesipelo esivuzayo. Hayibo
Somi,
Somi, as wena as a human being andiqondi ba into ongayithetha leyo emntwini, especially umuntu ogqiba uphunyelwa sisisu umbize ngamagama.